Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles. We are going to talk about your kneeling side kicks, and oh my lord, I think this is something I should have sent to me as a reminder to do every single day. The kneeling side kicks are epically important for strength in our body. They really do help you with the exercise that's to come, which is the side bend, but more than that, they really just help you in life. We have to strengthen our side body so much, and we have the side kicks on the mat, which we've discussed before, and you can check out in this mat playlist, but the kneeling side kicks take that up an entire notch and really make you stand on one leg and try to do your side kick series, which is just, I don't know, it's the hardest thing in my life to do, and I hope that this helps you find a way to do it more often in your own self. So in the kneeling side kicks, you have hopefully done a lot of warming up before you get to it. And what I will show you today is not just the kneeling side kicks, but also something that I use to help me do the kneeling side kicks when I just don't feel like I have the strength to do them. So one of my tricks first for doing the kneeling side kicks is just getting in and out of the position. You can put your hands behind your head, you're staying on your knees. You want to be careful that you're not shoving your lower back forward, and instead you're bringing your hips over your knees, right? So not back here, because when we do the kneeling side kicks, they have to be hip socket over knee, and it's going to want to be back here. So you're here, tummy is in, hips are forward, and you're going to just try to tip over and land shoulder over wrist, hip over knee. And you're going to come back up and go to the other side. So when I teach mat classes, I tend to make a joke like, I'm a little teapot, short and stout, right? Because see, if you fall, like that's a fall, that's different than using your muscles, especially your hip muscles, to reach for the floor, right? And you're gonna notice just how much your hips can get stronger and more flexible doing that. So I highly recommend, if the kneeling side kicks are hard, doing that. Another trick is to just go into the position and hold it. Try to find yourself a mirror where you can make sure your leg is as high as your hip is over your knee, your shoulders over your wrists, and just hold this. And you can think about the kneeling side kicks, going forward, forward, back, back. Say that 3 times. Then circles, circle up and around 1, circle up and around 2, circle up around 3, and then reverse, right? And then you can think about the bicycles and how long it takes to bicycle your leg around. You just try to hold it the whole time. And then you come up and you gracefully go to the other side. And you think about that same thing. This holding of it, it's like doing a plank. It will get you strong enough, and it's actually sometimes harder because you can't cheat. You don't get to have that moment where you break or let your leg drop or take a breath, right? So please breathe, but you get what I mean. So now for the actual kneeling side kicks, you're going to tip over, you're going to hold it, you're going to take the top leg forward, forward, back, back, without swinging your body around, right? Forward, forward, back, back. Do a few of those. I sometimes just do 3 because, my lord, this is hard, right? Then you circle. They're not little. They're as big as you can make them. I wish I could show you bigger, but like I said, this is the exercise I have to work on. Now the bicycle. You reach your leg back, you pull your heel to your bum, you pull the leg up, and you bring it forward, and you try to keep the leg at the level of the hip the whole time. You don't have to tell me in the comments, I know my leg's dropping. Then you reverse it, right? You reach it around, you pull it in. My leg I'm standing on is working so hard. So if you want to be able to get your leg higher, you don't lift it higher. You actually have to use your standing leg to help you lift your leg higher, right? So the more, if I go the other side, the more I want my right leg up, the more I have to push my left leg down and away, down into the left. And that's going to give me the strength I need. So do 3 of each direction if there's a variation, and then go to the other side. Again, I highly recommend you do it as an ongoing thing. It will help you get really ready for the side bend. It's going to make your side kicks so good. your balance in life is going to thank you for it. And you know, there's just very few things in life that challenge our side bodies like the kneeling sidekicks does. So I really hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And for how this exercise is really gonna help you with your practice, check out onlinepilatesclasses.com and join me every week for a new class, because it's pretty fun when you get guided in how to use this, and you'll see even your 100 will get better, which who doesn't want that? I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.